this video I'm going to talk about iOS 15. Instagram is having no sound after the update and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, when you're having these kind of issues, you just have to make sure yourself that your iPhone is not being made to silent. As you can see, it is very important, so you just have to go back to the sound over here and you have to check whether you are on the silent or not. So you just have to check for it, and as well as you have to make sure that the volumes are correct, like it is maximum, it is not being connected to, like as you can see, it is not being connected to, the volume is not down. You have to make sure, and we'll be having a button over here to change to silent mode. Most probably you'll be knowing it, so you just have to make sure that it is not in silent. So if it's silent, then most probably after updating iOS 15, some of you guys are having a trouble when you're trying to open Instagram. They are not able to hear any sounds while trying to play any kind of stories. Moving on to the next solution is all about you have to do for this one, which is you just have to offload your app on your iOS. Okay, this is what you have to do. So in order to do this, you just have to tap here on the settings. Now you just have to go back. And you just have to tap here on the general, and you have to go for iPhone storage, and you just have to scroll down from here and you have to tap on Instagram. And as you can see, we have an option called offload app. So you just have to go for upload app, go for upload, and once it is done, you just have to go for reinstall the app and try to see, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. This is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video.